The 2018 Yamaha YZ450F promises to advance technology in the sport of motocross by becoming the world's first Wi-Fi-equipped production dirt bike, capable of allowing the user to tune the engine's ECU with the use of an Apple or Android smartphone. Yamaha's all-new Yamaha Power Tuner iOS and Android app connects to a Wi-Fi communication control unit on the 2018 Yamaha YZ450F to allow for instant fuel and ignition mapping changes trackside when the engine is not running. The 2018 Yamaha YZ450F engine introduces a host of changes, and perhaps the biggest is its new electric start function. But, don't be fooled into thinking that Yamaha simply adapted the current technology in the YZ450FX and WR450F just to make the 2018 YZ450F go electric. Instead, its fuel-injected, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine is all new from the cases up, and it places the electric starting mechanism behind, rather than in front of, the rearward slanted cylinder for better mass centralization than the WR/FX engine. Powered by a lightweight, 1.5-pound, lithium-ion battery that boasts a class-leading 13.2 volts of juice, the centrally located starter drives to the clutch basket when starting the bike. The YZ450F's piston is all new as well, with Yamaha electing to go with the bridged box design to increase strength and rigidity. The new piston also weighs about 6 grams less than the old one, thanks to a slight reduction in crown thickness. Compression ratio has been increased from 12.5 to 1 to 12.8 to 1, and a diamond-line carbon piston pin is used to reduce friction inside the engine. To accommodate the electric starting system, the crankshaft is also new, with increased inertia and a balance ratio that has been changed from 50% to 60%. However, the rotor and stator now have less inertia because the rotor width has been reduced by 2.1 mm and the diameter has been decreased by 4 mm. Thus, says Yamaha, the overall inertia of the crank and rotor, stator assemblies is the same as the 2017 model. The YZ's 5-speed transmission and clutch are updated to provide a better clutch feel and more durability. The pressure plate is more concave than the previous version, and its rib shape and plate thickness has been revised to provide less center rigidity, which is made up for by a slightly increased outer rigidity. New steel clutch plates that feature surface grinding on both sides of the plate are also used to help give the clutch a more direct feel at the lever. The clutch system still does not use a hydraulic actuator, but new clutch springs are claimed to improve clutch action by offering a straighter alignment when the clutch lever is pulled. The transmission gears have been beefed up by a 1 mm additional width in second, third and fourth gears. The 2018 Yamaha YZ450F also receives upgraded suspension in the form of next-generation KIB components. Up front, the speed-sensitive system, SSS, coil spring fork boasts new internals, including a cylinder and piston that has been increased from 24 mm to 25 mm. For easier tuning by suspension gurus, the fork now features a leaf spring rather than a coil spring in the mid-speed valve. The pressure piston shape has also been changed and relief holes have been added for better bump sensitivity. Front suspension travel is 12.2 inches. The 2018 Yamaha YZ450F is also claimed to offer a slimmer feel via the addition of new, lighter and more compact bodywork that is placed lower on the chassis. Also, it reduces the overall width of the seat, tank area by 18 mm. Part of the decrease is due to a narrower seat that is also flatter from front to rear. The seat height has been reduced by 8 mm at the front and almost 20 mm at the back. Yamaha also slimmed up the fuel tank, albeit at the expense of some fuel capacity. The new tank carries only 1.6 gallons of fuel, 0.3 of a gallon less than the 2017 tank, although Yamaha officials claim that there is still more than enough capacity to feed the 2018 YZ450F for a 40-minute moto. The radiator shrouds also incorporate a new air duct with a concave shape that is narrower at the knee contact points for less restricted rider movement. Lastly, the 2018 YZ450F will once again be available in two colors, factory Yamaha blue or white. The 2018 Yamaha YZ450F is expected to arrive in dealerships in August. MSRP has been set at $9,199. That's a $500 jump in price from the $8,699 of the 2017 model, but considering the complete redesign and the all-new Wi-Fi tuning technology that the 2018 model offers to boot, it may be money well spent.